Okay, what is this, Corey?
Engine test, QSB 5.9 380 for Rhett Anderson.
Tell me a little bit about this panel real quick.
This is our SMX Seaview J1939 digital screen. Gives you all the information that the engine produces. Also allows you to incorporate external inputs as well, such as gear information, fuel level, things of that nature. Gives you fuel information and a couple other screens that kind of accommodate. If you want to have two side by side, you can have a couple large gauges that you always are looking at, such as RPM and fuel rate.
And you run multiple of these?
You can run up to 2 per engine.
Nice.